Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use support and resistance to take powerful entries, alright, profitable entries that will make you money in the market, okay, in the volatility market. Alright, so as you can see right now we are in the 4 hours time frame. Alright, so what I will be doing first on the 4-hour time frame is to do my analysis. Okay, so I came to the 4 hours here to do my analysis, and it's going to be a top down analysis. Alright, and this analysis I'm going to be using only support and resistance zone. Okay, there will be no trend line and all that. Okay, only support and resistance. All right, so and this kind of analysis, it works best in a ranging market. All right, when the market is ranging, not trending in an up direction. All right, this strategy works very well in a ranging market. Okay, so for example, I just pull up my chart. All right, this is volatility 10 index. All right, so what I will be doing here right now is to mark out the current structures in the market. All right, the current support and resistance zones in the market. All right, I don't want to go too far into the back. All right, I'll just be marking this area. All right, I'll be working with this area here. Okay, so I'm going to use my trend line, my horizontal lines to mark this area. So this area, you can see that this is where price got to before reversing. So there is a resistance zone here, all right, which I marked out. Okay, so there is a zone here. All right, so let me just use this area, and also there is a zone here, a support and resistance zone here that previously pushed price to the upside. All right, so after marking this from the 4 hours time frame like this, all right, what I do is to, as you can see, I marked this area, the highest and the lowest here. Okay, so I will go to the 1 hour time frame now to see what I can do. All right, so here on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that there was previously a support and resistance zone here. All right, you can see that price got to this limit, came down, price was rejected from this area, came down, broke below this support and resistance zone. All right, so let me just mark it so that you guys will understand what I'm saying. So there is a support and resistance zone here that the price just broke below. All right, so I'll mark this out. Now I'm going to step to the 30-minute time frame to mark the nearest support and resistance zone I'm seeing. As you can see, I'm going to be marking this area, which is the area I'm going to be using for my target area, my TP area. All right, because I'll be taking the entry from the 15-minute time frame. So here on the 15-minute time frame, you can see that we are already late for the entry, because right here you can see the price just broke below our support. The support is now serving as a resistance. All right, so price got there, retest it, and you can see that price is heading down to this support level now. All right, so that is what is currently happening in the market. All right, you can see price broke, got rejected. All right, came back for a retest, and you can see that it's heading down to this area. All right, you can see that price is heading down to this area based on this analysis. Okay, you can see that price is heading down. All right, so this type of strategy works best in a ranging market. Okay, market that is ranging, that when the market is consolidating, they are trying to find out the next direction to move to. Right, so around this area price, the market, they are confused. Buyers and sellers are confused. They don't know the direction to go anymore. So these are the type of time to grab the opportunity and use this kind of strategies. Okay, so I say I should just quickly share this with you guys today. Okay, so as you can see, price is heading down, but if this failed, the plan B is that you wait for price to break above this area. All right, come back for a retest. When it come back for a retest, you then grab the buy opportunity to this area. All right, it's as simple as that. Okay, so if you find this video interesting and you are a new viewer, please make sure to subscribe. All right, click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And don't also forget to give the video a like. Okay, it's going to help a lot. It's going to go a long way. All right, so that is pretty much everything I have for you guys in today's video. Before I go, for those of you who have not yet come for my boom and crash strategy, it's a very powerful strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account or a $10 account, any amount, so long as you can use it to open a position on the boom and crash market. You'll be able to grow that account without blowing it. Okay, and it's an indicator strategy. Okay, it's an indicator strategy that works on mobile. Okay, so I think that is going to be all for this one. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.